Alright guys, this is another update on my FitMac 2 because people were requesting that I should make another one because they couldn't see my bike too good in the other video. So, I'm pretty much just going to go through the same stuff, except I got my new grips this time. My ODIs. They're red, yeah, they're red. Like I said, the rims are red. My camera really sucks for the brightness thing. I have so many lights on this right now. But I don't know if you can see it. They're red. The bike's really solid, as you can tell from my other videos doing tricks and stuff. Still learning a little bit. It has these little holes for lubing your headset or greasing your headset, bearings and whatnot, because it's integrated. Just the tan wall tires. They look white in the video though, but Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I'm gonna be getting Mission Impulse though, because these ones are not the best ever, but little fit emblem. It has a sealed mid BB, bottom bracket, sealed front hub, sealed back hub, double wall back rim, and single wall front rim. It's not really a big deal though. I cased out really bad on my front one from landing on it first, and it didn't do anything to it at all. You got the Fit low bolt seat, stock cranks. Well, everything's stock except for the grips. I'm just saying like the names. I don't know what the cranks are, but it has the Fit logo on it. It has 8.375 rise bars, a 28mm rise top load stem, but I'm getting a front load stem with my order from my birthday in about a month. 36 hole rims, pretty much standard 25:9 gear ratio. Pretty much the same as like all the new bikes now. They're a good bike. Here's the view from the top of it. The bars are really wide. They're like 29, I think, inches across. The tires are holding up good. Had a few inner tubes pop, but I got Dance Comp inner tubes back in it again, so they're not popping or anything. I don't really know what else to tell you guys. I'm just trying to do another update because someone requested it. But 21-inch top tube. 25.7 pounds with the pegs. I don't know if that's without them, if it's a little bit later. I'm pretty sure it is because it's about as light as my buddy's bike, and it's 24 pounds. Yeah. Well, I hope this video looks a little bit better than the other one. I'll try either ends. You can't really see them that good. This is what it looks like from the back. That's pretty much it, but alright guys. Peace.